Houseplant 101. A documentary about the wonders of nature. Houseplants. They're such a big part of our daily lives nowadays. It's hard to live our lives without them. Well, we are about to dive into the wonders of the houseplant world in this documentary. So sit back and relax, houseplant enthusiasts. It might be a long one. First, let me ask you a question. You can either think about it or discuss it with someone near you. What houseplants do you already know? You might have said something to do with snake plants or a golden pothos, maybe. Or maybe you were completely stumped. But that's okay. At the end of the documentary, I will ask the same question again. Your answer will be completely different. I can guarantee it. You may or may not be surprised at how many people keep a couple of houseplants in their home or office. If you don't have a single houseplant in your home, you must have missed the latest craze. Here's a little bit of a fun fact. According to studies by NASA, houseplants are said to remove harmful toxins from the air. Snake plants are especially good at this, which is why they are found in many homes and offices today. Most of these houseplants are quite inexpensive, so if you have a low budget in mind, you're in luck. But some of the more experienced gardeners watching this, you could go for some more exotic varieties such as the bird of paradise or any other exotic plant out there. If you're a beginner and you have never cared for a single houseplant in your life, I wouldn't go for something like this. Go for something a bit easier. You really don't want to spend so much money on a plant that you can't take care of. That just makes no sense. Some of the more easy plant options include plants such as the snake plant, the golden pothos, and heartleaf philodendron, just to name a few. There are also so many different species of the same variety, like a pothos marble queen. The golden pothos is just one species of the same genus. Houseplants can also have such a wide range of leaf shapes and patterns. Look at this! Isn't that amazing? And even this! That's just so crazy! There are even some pink houseplants out there. Isn't that crazy? Basically, houseplants are amazing things. And if you don't yet own one, or maybe even 100, now's the time to join the trend. The trend of nature. Why not? A great ornamental piece and purified air. Who wouldn't want a houseplant? As long as you give them the right care, anyone can become a gardener. Even if you just stick to the golden pothos, at least it's better than nothing. What houseplants do you now know? Thanks for watching this houseplant documentary, and I hope it was helpful to you. Bye!